Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to make Ojojo. I am Rosie and you are welcome to my kitchen. For this recipe, you will need water yam, and this is what water yam looks like. It is a little bit different from the regular yam, and you can find this to buy at any grocery store. You will need spring onions, pepper, and these vegetables are washed already, salt, bouillon powder. You will need oil for deep frying. I'm using grapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will start by washing the water yam, and I'll be using salt, and sponge. So it is best to wash the water yam before cutting it because it contains a lot of water, and once you open it and you don't want to wash it once it's cut, if not you will not get good results. I will wash it until it is clean. And I want to say a big thank you to my new and my old subscribers. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. Also put on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload any new video. And that is done. So it's time to cut the yam. I'll pat the yam dry with a paper towel before cutting the yam. Once that is done, cut the yam. And peel the yam. And that is done. I'm going to be using a grater, and you will need to use the smaller part of the grater. Traditionally, it is done with a grater. I'm using this side, the smaller part of the grater. And I'll go ahead and grate the yam. And when doing this, you want to be careful so you don't hurt yourself. Ojojo is a recipe from the western part of Nigeria. Ojojo is very delicious and it's very easy to prepare as well. And I'm going to grate it until I'm done with all the yam. And that is done. So this is what it looks like, and I will put that aside. So here I have the pepper, spring onions, everything that is already. So it's time to start. Add salt to the yam paste. Add bouillon, onions, pepper, and the spring onions, and mix it very well until everything is well combined. And that is done. So here I have the oil on the stove already. I will test if the oil is hot, and to do that I'm using a stick. Once you see bubbles around the stick, that means the oil is hot. Add in the yam paste and fry on medium heat. Flip with a skewer. So you want to keep flipping so they can cook evenly. Once they are golden brown, they are ready. Take them out of the oil. And repeat the process with the rest. And Ojojo is ready. They were very, very delicious and super crunchy. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.